Streaming Cancer. A presentation by Professor Gershom Zaitchik, Faculty of Medicine, Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Recently, I started with a series, Cancer Dynamic, and published already more than 10 presentations. Here are the first 5. Now you have another 4. And finally, the 6th. So we start as before with definitions. Cell is the indivisible unit of life or atom of life. All cells come from cells. Tissue proliferative unit is the atom of histopathology, and its origin is a stem cell. Above it are its stem cell progeny, and stem cell division is associated with cell displacement toward unit periphery, and the TPU is monoclonal. So here you have the tissue proliferative unit. It has 3 states: stem cell state, progenitor state, and end cell, and each state can consist of several cells. TPU is monoclonal, and the arrow indicates the change in differentiation. Cells are not pushed nor pulled. The cell stream, because there is no mechanical force which propels the cells through the TPU. So here's the cell turnover. The stem cell divides, and parallel to this division there's a cell streaming, and once the cell reach the end state, they die. So this is the cell turnover in the TPU. We are dealing as usual with the complexity of the organism, and so here you have the representation. Each line and dot are processes, and so there are some laws of this complexity. First of all, TPU is a process. TPU is oriented, and homeostasis is the interaction between processes. So if we look at such a complexity slice, we see here, for instance, one TPU. You might imagine here a stem cell, and it is streaming to this direction, but most TPUs are directed into different dimensions. What is also important to realize that the streaming organism exists in steady state, and the steady state is defined as input equal output. Streaming organism was published in academia. You can read this paper when downloading from academia. And actually our philosopher is Heraclitus, and if you listen to this, its quotes, it says, "No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river, and he is not the same man, because he changes." And this is called pantarei. Everything is streaming. So, conclusion. Cancers start as tissue proliferative units. Cancer progress and maintained homeostasis and cancer stream. And what is more significant, there is one law for all cancers, Pantarei, and I shall discuss it in future presentation. Enjoy.